Find the linear approximation for the function f of x equals 1 over 2x minus 5 at a equals 3. Then use the result to approximate f of 3.07 and f of 2.89. The linear approximation makes use of the function f of x, which is 1 over 2x minus 5, as well as its derivative. In order to take the derivative, we will want to rewrite this. Since the numerator is a constant, it's possible to bring the denominator up as a negative exponent. It'll be to the negative first power, and multiply with the numerator, which is a 1. The derivative, f prime of x, will be a power rule. Bring down the power, leave the inside alone, subtract 1 from the power, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside to complete the chain rule. This can be rewritten by moving the negative exponent to the denominator. The negative 1 and the 2 stay in the numerator and they multiply each other, giving a negative 2. And the 2x minus 5 moves to the denominator to become a positive 2 power. The next thing to do is evaluate the function f at the a value of 3, which will give 1 over 2 times 3 minus 5, which is 1 over 2 times 3 is a 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is a 1, giving 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. And f prime of 3, which will be negative 2 over 2 times 3 minus 5 squared, which will be negative 2 over 2 times 3 is 6 minus 5 squared. Negative 2 over 6 minus 5 is a 1 squared. Negative 2 over 1 squared, which is a 1, and anything over 1 is itself, giving negative 2. The formula for the linear approximation L of x is f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. For this problem, a is a 3. This will come out to f of 3 plus f prime of 3 times x minus 3. The values for f of 3 and f prime of 3 can now be plugged in, so that the linear approximation becomes 1 minus 2 times x minus 3. This can be simplified by distributing the negative 2 in here, giving 1 minus 2x plus 6, and the constants can combine together, giving a 7 minus 2x. The next thing to do is approximate f of 3.07, and that will be approximately equal to the linearization evaluated at 3.07. For plugging in purposes, the best version to use is this one here, the original version. Numerically, it's just a little easier. So plugging in 3.07 for x will give 1 minus 2 times 3.07 minus 3 is 0.07. 1 minus 2 times 0.07 is negative 0.14. And 1 minus 0.14 is 0.86. F of 2.89 can be approximated by L of 2.89. Using the same form, we'll give 1 minus 2 times 2.89 minus 3, which is 1 minus 2 times 2.89 minus 3 is negative 0.11, which will give 1. A negative 2 times a negative 0.11 is a positive 0.22, and 1 plus 0.22 comes out to 1.22.